How to get best discount promo codes in Suno AI. And before you go ahead and purchase your very first subscription in Suno AI, you'll have to stretch down the price so you could also save on your end. Now just simply create a new tab on your current browser and just simply visit this website that's going to be called wethrift.com. And once you're here, just simply locate the search box or search stores and then just simply type in Suno AI. Now hit on enter, and you should be able to have this multiple codes or coupon codes that you can take advantage with. Now, before purchasing out or on your payment area, all you have to do is just to copy this code right here from wethrift.com and just simply paste it in Suno AI. That's how you find the best Suno AI promo codes.